All right, next up, let's do some New York City factory footage.
Yeah.
This week, kind of big news. You know, we're doing everything we can to help our city, to help our state,
That's right.
to help our country, to help the world.
So what are we doing?
Solar system seems to be okay. Our little pocket, we got to do a little bit of work right now. So this week we were on the Recovery Readiness Roundtable. We did this with the Hudson Square Business Improvement District. So thank you everyone over there who invited us. I want to say, you know, we are at 150 Varick. That is our home. It used to be a place almost 100 years ago that made electronics. Westinghouse made all sorts of things there.
And radios, crystals, inductors, metal detectors.
And, you know, what a cool thing. The people that were able to receive the PPE that we made and also the components, these were just some of the doctors. So I wanted to say thank you to them again. Some of them have become friends and helped us out and helped us with some policy and procedures because they're on the front lines and they've told us, here's what's happening, here's what's working out there, and here's some stuff to consider. We are manufacturing. So this is some time lapse of the machine line. You'll notice, you know, people are wearing masks.
They're socially distant.
They're little. They buzz by really fast because everyone's so far away.
They're wearing gloves.
Yeah.
They wear gloves anyways, but now they wear gloves all the time.
Auto bagging.
Auto bagging.
And you know, like one of my favorite Elton John songs, "We're Still Standing," and
we're still standing at the auto bagger.
And a lot of it's because of all you out there. So thank you.
And we're working hard every day.
Making stuff, and then here's a fun little time lapse music video. So a little music. And it wouldn't be some New York City factory footage without all the construction. So Disney's building across the street from Adafruit, and they've only sped up. I'll say they're doing more construction than ever. So good on them, I think. You know, keep going on that, Disney. They're there. It looks like they're staying safe too. So that's good. And then of course, it wouldn't be a segment without some skyscapes.
That's right. We're back to the skyscapes.
We're getting there. Every day the sun comes back up somewhere.